Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Muslim Family Nomad. Just a few minutes walk from the main square in Sultan Ahmed, you'll find this buzzing little food street. Check it on the Google Maps link in the description. Favorite spot here is called Harbi Burger, but don't let the name fool you. They're famous for one thing, their chicken doner wraps with spicy red sauce. Check this out. They use this cool electric shaver to slice off the juicy chicken from the spit. It's just so satisfying to watch. Gotta get me one of those. To the wrap station. This guy loads it up with crispy chips, tangy pickles, and a drizzle of garlic mayo sauce. But this is the real secret. A tomato-based spicy red sauce that he ladles on just right. It's bold, it's smoky, and it brings everything together. And it's not too spicy, which is just perfect for us. After that, he wraps it tight and slides it onto the grill, just long enough to crisp up and seal all of those juicy, delicious flavors in.
Nice chicken shawarma.
Served with the side of seasoned fries, this wrap is massive, juicy, and unbelievably cheap. Just $4 including the fries. If you're in Istanbul, you have to try this spot out. It is absolutely amazing. Now let's take a stroll down this food street. You've got everything from burgers and borak to steakhouses, seafood, juice bars, and even a hookah lounge. Heads up, unfortunately some of these places here do serve alcohol, so always check the menu and ask before sitting down. Now let's enjoy the sights and sounds of our walk down Food Street in Istanbul. Thanks for joining us on this visit. Don't forget to check out our full travel guides at muslimfamilynomad.com, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos as we explore the Muslim world together.